how charming and beautiful today's sunrise. And indeed, every sunrise is a new opportunity. We should not miss it. I hope you all have started your day with positive attitude, full of energy and smile. A small positive thought can change your whole day. And starting a day with positive thought and discipline can change our whole life. Remember this when you are having the worst day. If you want to get to the life of your dreams, you are gonna have to learn how to get comfortable being uncomfortable. When you hear people say all the time that I don't want to do anything that I'm not comfortable with, that person is in trouble because whatever your comfort zone is, if you stay in your comfort zone, that's where you will fail. In order to succeed in your life, you have to step outside of your comfort zone. You got to get comfortable being uncomfortable. Stop trying to do everything in a short way. Stop trying to figure out the easy way because you will get failed sometimes. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. I believe in the power of words. Many people speak before they think, but we must know the value of words. The words can make you and break you into pieces. Do you hear about Muniba Masari? She had an accident about Muniba Masari. She had an accident and she sustained several major injuries and she couldn't walk. She said that in one of her interviews that they call it adversity. They call it adversity. I call it opportunity. They call it weakness. I call it strength. They called her disabled. She called herself differently abled. They seen her disability. She saw her ability. She said in one of her interviews that there are some incidents that happens in your life and those incidents are so strong that they can change your DNA. Those incidents or accidents are so strong that they break you physically. They deform your body but to transform your soul. Those incidents break you, deform you, but they mold you into the best version of you. Be silent in these three things. Number 1, be silent when you are angry. Number 2, be silent when people do not value your words. Number 3, be silent when you want to listen to people. How others judge you do not define your reality. Everyone's journey is different. Therefore, be you. Do not waste your time on trying to be someone else. Smile often because smiles are contagious. Everybody is genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it's useless and stupid.